In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube. Now, first step is when you go to youtube.com and you select a random video. It can be any video. So let's say I choose this one. Then let's quickly wait for the ad to be over. And once this is done, when you pause the video right here, you will see a little drop down button. Now, once this is open, you will have the options over here. As you probably know, you can go full screen, theater mode, and all of this. Now, actually, the one on the left side here, autoplay, you can turn this off just by clicking on it, and it will look like this. Once this is off, when the video ends, it will stop autoplaying, so it will not choose a new video. So that's basically how you can do it on YouTube. It's super simple. There's not really much more to it. You just go to the video and press the autoplay button down here. That's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.